Understanding quality control, a key concept in business and manufacturing. Hello everyone, welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're diving into an important phrase used in business and manufacturing: quality control. This term is vital in various industries, and understanding it can enhance your English proficiency, especially in professional contexts. So, let's get started. Quality control refers to the process of ensuring that products or services meet certain standards or requirements. It's about checking and managing the quality of products during production. Think of it as a way companies make sure that what they produce is good enough for their customers. Quality control involves various techniques and activities, like inspections and testing, to identify and correct defects. Quality control is crucial because it helps maintain a company's reputation by ensuring customers receive products that meet their expectations. It reduces errors and defects, which can save companies money and prevent waste. Moreover, it ensures customer satisfaction and loyalty, as people are more likely to return to a brand that consistently provides quality products. You might not realize it, but quality control affects everyday life. For example, when you buy a smartphone, the smooth functioning and flawless appearance are results of rigorous quality control. Similarly, in restaurants, chefs perform quality control by tasting dishes before serving to ensure they meet the expected flavor and quality. It's important to distinguish between quality control and quality assurance. While quality control focuses on the identification of defects in products, quality assurance is about preventing defects by improving the manufacturing process. Quality assurance is proactive, while quality control is reactive. I hope this video has shed light on the meaning and importance of quality control. Understanding such concepts not only helps in learning English but also provides insights into how various industries operate. Thanks for watching, and keep learning.